Okay, so although I actually started my pilgrimage last week, 6 days ago in Perth or in Donnybrook, leaving for the UK. I've spent the last 6 days in the UK catching up with family, which has been a great thing. Now I'm at Bayonne station in northwest England, and I'm starting my pilgrimage. So Camino, here I come. I'm going to travel today in this beautiful weather to back to Euston and then back to Heathrow, stay at the Thistle, and from the Thistle tomorrow morning I'll catch a pod. They've got autonomous pods, and I'm going to have a wander around there, into the airport, across to Charles de Gaulle, from Charles de Gaulle to Bayonne. Then I'll spend the night in a gîte in Biarritz, and I'll catch a train hopefully Thursday morning up to Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port, which I'm so excited about. That's going to be great. It's going to be fantastic. Finally hit the Pyrenees on Good Friday 2025. So yeah, buen camino. Let's get this rock and rolling. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye. Well, so this is very different, that's for sure. I'm in a pod, completely on my own, travelling to the Thistle. If I can make this turn around the right way. There we go. There is nobody else around. Pretty much a buzz, that is. Flight just coming in. Seems very, very weird, to say the least. And a bit bumpy too. And that, I would say, is the River Neve. So I made it to Bayonne. How about that? Just going for a bit of a walk around. Just got myself an adapter for my USBs, etc, etc. And it is lovely here. The sun is shining. It is absolutely glorious. Just pan around and you can have a sticky beak once I've gone over this puddle. Tell you what, I'll get very close to beer o'clock, I think. It's what, nearly 5 o'clock here. Bit of beer, bit of tucker. There you have it, Bayonne. Alright, let's see what we can find. Talk to you later. see the city goes right up there behind me at the moment. And I'm just doing a quick pan around to have a look what's going on over there is where I'm going to be going. As you can see, walking down here is a bit of a fun and games, it's steep as. And it had me huffing and puffing when I came back down, when I was coming up here earlier on. That and a bit of rain to add to it made it a bit slippery. But looks like the weather gods are looking after us a little bit now. Just the views over Saint-Jean are pretty spectacular.